did all this shit come from? Oh my god, another one.
What?
Another daughter.
She's even worse than me.
She is.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, is it in park? Oh my god, I'm scared. Why? My first time ever driving. What do I do? Put it in. To adjust the mirrors. Put it in drive? Adjust the mirrors? Whatever.
Yeah, make sure you see the... Oh, why are you freaking pushing? If you're gonna start laughing and not being on point,
then don't do it. Dude! If you don't know how to drive, get out now. I'm scared, Papi.
try to put your signal light on.
How do I whisk my signal light?
On the other side.
Hurry up!
She didn't want to turn.
God.
So she get the other one that doesn't know how to turn. Where is she going? What are you doing?
Oh yeah, the door's open.
Yo, what are you doing?
Get in. I'm scared. Literally.
So for every single turn, you're gonna stop and get out and...
I think I went too far up, that's why.
The one that should be driving is on the back on her phone. All worried about her phone only.
Should I turn it for her?
No, get out and let her turn.
What if I can't do it again?
This shit I gotta put up with.
No, but she is scaring me.
This shit I gotta put up with, bro.
I can't do this. Oh my god.
Yeah. Foot on the brake.
God, the gas is so powerful.
Give it just a little ease. You don't have to. There's a whole pedal. Use your foot at the bottom of the pedal, not the top of the pedal. That's how you don't give it hard gas.
So what do I have to do?
Press the bottom of the pedal, not the middle or the top of the pedal.
Speed it up a little, like damn.
You just go low on the pedal. You can be low on the pedal and still go fast.
Why don't you guys go
His first time driving.
Why don't you guys go to Empire Well, I was thinking about that yesterday, but
No,
Chinese
that's
people
not
isn't
Chinese
really it right now. Why would you see that? What? It's true.
Nice and slow.
Oops. Why do I keep doing that?
Be used to it, don't worry. It's the same thing every time.
Why would they block this off right here? They're doing construction. See that big.
Not bad, girl. Not bad at all. Thank you very much. So you'll watch this video in like 20, 30 years, like, can't believe it.
I do. I watched mine like 8 months later and I was like, I really didn't. I don't
Nice wide turn. Good job. Good job.
I feel like he's scared. Woo!
Yeah, she does it again. Over to the top. Good job. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Can't feel my legs.
Hey! Oh!
You're not sweaty.
You rattling on and ain't saying nothing.